Okay, Tubby Buggy, it's time for your new cars, okay? So here's the first one. Now, what one is this? What is that one?
Rally.
It's a rally car? What's his name? What is his name? Do you want me to read it for you? Yeah, give us it here. It's called Raul Caroli. Let's see that. You want to open it?
Yeah.
Go for it. There you go. Are you excited? Need some help with that part? Here. Oh, you got it, you got it, you got it. Okay.
Stuck.
You got it?
Yeah.
What'd you think? Is that cool?
Yeah.
Are you ready for the next one? Okay, what's this one? What is it? Professor. What is it? Professor Z? Okay, show it to the camera. Show it, turn it around, show it to the camera. No, the car. There you go. Turn it around. Turn it around so we can see. Okay, let me see. There. Whoa, that's really cool. Okay, now 3, 2, 1, go. There you go. There you go. Get it. There you go. Want some help?
Yeah.
Let me see. Get it. Oh, there it goes. There it is, Professor Z. Show him to the camera.
Cheese.
You like that? Is that cool? Let me see the cars. Show them to the camera. Okay, that's cool. What are their names? What are their names? Raul Caroli and Professor Z. How many cars do you have now?